Students, very good morning. This is our GK class. Yesterday we have studied about simple inventions. These are the simple inventions. Now today, inventors. Invention may be small or big, but it has to be started from one point. Someone has started. To invent, you need a good imagination and a pile of junk. These words were said by Thomas Edison. What he said? Whatever we want to invent, first of all we should have a good imagination and a pile of junk. Do you ever take a look at the items and machines we use today and wonder where they come from? Now in our house also lot of things are there we use. That things were not present earlier, but now they are of the daily use. So where did they come from? From the refrigerator to the electricity in our houses, everything started with a single idea. Someone has started. Someone has a imagination beyond the limits. An inventor is someone who has a great idea and brings it to life by creating something new. Some people have invented things as important as the telephone or the internet, and some as small as the sandwich or zipper. No matter how big or small, inventors are important and change the way we live. So, whichever invention, whether it is a big or small, it has changed the way we live today. Now answer these questions about these inventors and their inventions to solve the crossword puzzle. Here puzzle is given and these are the hints given. So on basis of these hints, with the help of these sentences, we have to find out the inventors and their inventions. So let's start. First, Bengali chemist Praful Chandra Ray started India's first pharmaceutical company in this city. Now the Bengali chemist named Praful Chandra Ray, he started his first pharmaceutical company in Kolkata city. Kolkata. Now, which is this word? 8 number. So, we will find out 8 across. Steve Jobs is considered one of the greatest modern inventors of today. Steve Jobs, all must be aware of the name Steve Jobs. He co-founded this company that created the original Macintosh computer, iPhones and iPods. iPhones and iPods are being made in the Steve Jobs. So, which is the company he invented? It is the Apple. iPhone and iPods are with the Apple company. Now next we will take 4 number. 4 down. So, this word is E. 4. This person's theory of relativity shaped the way modern scientists view space, time and energy. Theory of relativity, who invented? Albert Einstein. Now how many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Albert Einstein we can't write. We have to write only Einstein. Einstein. Now third we will take. Third across. This synthetic material is 5 times stronger than steel and was invented by Stephen Quirk in 1965. It's commonly used in ropes, tires, and bulletproof vest. Now, during 1965, this synthetic material, which is 5 times stronger than steel, it was used very widely, and which is also used in ropes, tires, bulletproof vest. Which is it? It is Kevlar. It is the very strong material that are used in tires and ropes. Now next we will take second down. This man became blind at 3 years old. In 1824, he invented a system of reading and writing for the visually impaired that is used around the world. Now, which is the system of reading and writing for blind peoples? It is the Braille Lipi. And the name of that person was Braille. And he himself became blind at 3 years old. His name was Braille. Braille. Now we will take this number 5. 5 down. Thomas Edison invented this object that gives us light in the dark. Thomas Edison, what he invented? Thomas Edison, he was the scientist, and which thing he invented which gives us light in the dark? Light bulb. Light bulb. Now next we will take this 7 across. Alexander Graham Bell invented this in 1876, which in Greek means far voice. Far voice means the voice we can hear from long distance. And which is the thing he invented? Alexander Graham Bell? Telephone. Telephone. Now, number 6 down. Influenced by the flight of birds, brothers Orville and Wilbur were the inventors of the first airplane. They are commonly known as the Dash brothers. Now, who are the two brothers who invented first airplane? First airplane. And it was influenced by the flight of birds. They replicated the flight of birds. So, who are the brothers? Wright brothers. Wright brothers. Now, number 9 across. This man electrocuted himself while flying a kite during a thunderstorm in 1746. His experiments led to the discovery of electricity. Now, which was the scientist who electrocuted himself while flying a kite during a thunderstorm? It was Benjamin Franklin, but he is known as the Ben Franklin. His full name is Benjamin Franklin. Now next is 10th down. Guglielmo Marconi was the young Italian man who invented the wireless telegraph, which used radio waves to transmit information and sound. What do we call this invention today? Which is the invention that have wireless telegraph and which is used radio waves to transmit information and sound? It is a radio. It is commonly now used by everyone. So these are some inventions and inventors. You go through it.